Hey, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a loose one-arm kitchen faucet. In this case it's a Moen, so we'll just get right to it. Alright, the first thing you have to do is remove this cap, and then it's got the hot and cold indicator plastic piece underneath. There's two little clips in the front, and it just has a little tab in the back, and you can just get underneath there with a screwdriver or even a butter knife if that's all you have. And sometimes you can just pop it off with your finger too. There we go. And then you can see this is a two-piece thing, just a color indicator that clips in there. And we'll just set that aside. And then it's very simple. You can see the handles all afloat here. There's the part that it pulls up on, it opens and closes the valve, and that is screwed to that with a screw right down inside here, and it's an Allen wrench, Allen head screw, so you'll need an Allen wrench set. And then you're just gonna tighten that up. Sometimes these things can work their way loose, and you can see, hopefully you can see already, there's always gonna be a little tiny bit of play, but this is nothing. Let me loosen up here so I can show you, so you can really get a visual of. This thing is really loose. You got all this play, and they flop all around side to side, and that should not be the case. Get an Allen wrench right down inside this hole there. Snug that up. Now, not nearly as loose. Snug that up a little bit more. Don't want to break it. There we go. Now it's not all afloat. Doesn't tip side to side now like it did. That's all there is to it. And you're just going to go ahead and put your hot and cold indicator back on. It just sits in there, and you get these two little holes that the cap clips into, and then a tab on the back that sits in that hole in the back. And that's all there is to it, and you're good to go. So that's how you can fix a loose one-arm faucet, in this case a kitchen faucet, and it's a Moen. Alright, please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Well, thanks again for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. I hope you liked that video. Make sure you come back. I have a lot more videos. But you know, there's another channel out there that's got a lot of videos as well, and a pretty good variety, and that is The Art of Doing. See, really just trying to inspire people to try different things that they may not have tried before. I encourage you to swing over there, show him some love, click like on his channel, subscribe to him, and see if there's some stuff over there you might be interested in as well. But I will put a link in the description. This is Shane's Main Shop, but I want you to check out The Art of Doing. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. You ready to play, Layla?